I'm Pat.
I'm Marina. Yes.
We're from Geelong, Victoria, and we survived Tropical Cyclone Alfred.
Hi, we're Tom and Tony from Driftwood, from the Sunshine Coast originally, and we survived Cyclone Alfred here at GCCM.
I'm Tex.
I'm Lucy.
And we're locals from this area, and we talk about how we survived Alfie.
What I thought they did really well was Chloe and all the management and staff were going around checking everybody's setup, making sure that we didn't have things on the deck, that our ropes were tied sufficiently, etc, etc. So I found the support in terms of the preparation really, really good. But also found what was really good was that there were some other people on this particular arm that had already gone through cyclones, and they also helped us out with some of the setup and support. So we actually established our own support community here as well. There were several people here overnight. We had 1 or 2 times they came and checked to make sure that we were okay, and that provided us with some extra confidence and support with what was happening or about to happen. So that was really good, and I think following that a few of them came and checked on us after the event to make sure that we were okay. So I thought that was excellent. We saw bins disappearing, and anything that could have moved in the wind was put away. So I thought that was, the preparation from what I saw going on was really good. The communication that was also sent out to boat owners in terms of communication, etc., I thought also was very thorough and very informative. And so we were very happy with the support that we got while we were here. But I think everybody did extraordinarily well in terms of planning and preparation.
They were fantastic. Everyone here, from hauling out just before the cyclone on Tuesday to making sure we had large concrete blocks to secure down to, anything that we could possibly need was not too much of a drama. And yeah, you constantly see the guys going around throughout the day checking, making sure you didn't need anything, if there was anything they could do to help. But yeah, it was fantastic. We saw Andrew and Super Quinny getting around quite often, checking on vessels and making sure everything was safe. So it was good to, in between the breaks of showers and wind, get out and about and actually see some other people. So it was too.
We're on board motor vessel Bundy, which is our new boat, which we use for veterans. I'm very impressed with the way management and staff prepared things here. Everyone was busy, they all had jobs to do, and I thought they all done a sterling job. Seeing Chloe wandering up and down the wharf checking things, and Andrew out and about, and that was good, and that was comforting to see, because it showed that the Marina actually cared about their people that are staying here and their customers, and that's a big plus. We were fine. We handled it no problem, but it was comforting to know that we had staff to back up.